K to the E to the K. Nah, nah, nah. K.
But see me see every time I want to do. Don't miss any time when you gotta get She wants wider. See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants wider. She be minding on my place. She looking on my eye order. She wants wider. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me, yeah. Now so me say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in.
I'm coming to you tonight with this New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you love this, enjoy this look. I just wanted to come on here and do another video similar to the one I did when I did the new Era Cleopatra video. Just wanted to come on here and give y'all the deets on what I used. As far as my brows, nothing changed. As far as my foundation, I used the same things that I used in my last video. I will link that video down below so you lovelies, in case you have to track back and see what I used as far as my brows and my foundation. As far as my eyes, we're not doing that. Lawyer always trying to show y'all stuff. Anyways, but as far as my brows, and I'm be kind of quick because I'm getting ready to leave. But as far as not my brows, my eyes, y'all. Okay, for majority of, well, under my brow, I use the Dolce by Juvia's Place. In here, the two colors that I used, sorry y'all, were, hold on, I'm trying to get it open with one hand. Okay, the two colors, and I will try to put a picture of this up on the screen so y'all can follow. But under my brow, I used Tarte, and below, did I use? Okay, under my brow, I used Tarte. I did use crepes underneath that, and then I went in with custard underneath that. I went in with a purple. The purple that you see is from out of my custom Coastal Scents palette that I made myself. So yeah, that's the purple. I love, y'all know I love Coastal Scents shadows. The glitter is actually Loyal. Shush shush. Where's my glitter pouch? Hold on, y'all. Okay. I have a pouch that I keep my glitter in. Right here. This is the glitter that I used on my eyes. The glue that I use is just a Cara glitter. A Cara glue that I got from shoplessaid.com. So that was the glue that I used. It is right here. That's the glue I used to put my glitter on. As far as these lashes, these are still the lashes that I will be bringing to you lovely soon, that I will be selling soon. As far as liner, I use this Marc Jacobs black liner. This is Black of Black, and it does not, it's very, very creamy. That's another reason why I love it, because it does not skip all over the place. Like, it gets the job done. I love that liner. It is the bomb, y'all. As far as contour, y'all already know what I use for that bronzing and all of that. Y'all already know what I use. As far as my highlights today, I dipped into my Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and which I have now used in forever. So I dipped into that as far as my highlight, and that is the highlight you see. I wanted kind of like a unicorn thing going on, so yeah, dipped into that. And what else? I was gonna go, let me see. I don't see the colors on the back, so I guess I do gotta open it, y'all, because this, sorry, I got y'all turned all kinds of ways. Bear with me. In my Anastasia palette, I used Lucky Clover, Star, and I used the other one I cannot see because it's like broken. Y'all remember me telling y'all about that, but it is the third one on the top row. I use that in the corners and underneath my lash line. Mascara, I did use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. As far as blush, I did dip back into my Milani Luminoso. And on top of that, excuse lawyer, y'all. And on top of that, I did dip into, all right, y'all. Who's on? So I can tell y'all the other one that I use, if I can find it. But it is a ColourPop blush. Y'all seen me use it. Bam, right here. I put that on top of the Milani Luminoso. And yeah. And then I applied my highlighter over top, like right over top of that, like right here. So yeah, what else? Setting my face, I used my e.l.f. setting spray first, and then I went over top of that with the Urban Decay All Nighter. My lips, I lined them in Chi by ColourPop, and then I used Cami on my bottom lip here. As you can see, I have some glitter flakes, and I just used some glitter from a Keisha Kaur Glitz stick. So I just put that on the bottom. I wanted it focused mainly on the bottom as far as glitter. I didn't want to do top and bottom. And at the top, I did add I added the Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee lip gloss on the top lip. So yeah. What else? I think that's all, y'all, that I did to achieve this look. I don't think I'm leaving anything out. So yeah, I hope you babes enjoyed, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope y'all have a safe and blessed New Year's Eve and holiday, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye, y'all.